Hello students, this is exercise number 11 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine February 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, a discussion has been held today on a very important subject. All the honorable members who have taken part in this discussion have given some very good suggestions. I am grateful and thank them for it. You know how much awakened the people have become today. No one had made any efforts in this direction 4 or 5 years ago. First of all, it was our late Prime Minister of India who drew the attention of the people towards it. This problem is not confined to India alone, but is a matter of concern for the entire world. Today, the foreign countries also feel that a heavy price will have to be paid for the development that has been made. To fight against nature is suicidal, and you all know, and the foreign countries are also saying that if there had been lesser development and the environment had remained unaffected, that might have been better. The health standard of the people is declining these days. This would not have happened otherwise. It is essential that every individual in every country should enjoy good health. However, the level of environmental pollution is somewhat lesser here than in other countries. There are three major problems facing our country today. The first is that of floods, the second is of drought, and the third is of pollution. You may be aware that deforestation is the main reason underlying the problems of floods and drought. If the mountains are denuded of forests, there is no obstruction to the flow of water downwards and fast eroding soil along with it. In this manner, the rivers get flooded in our country. About 4 crore hectares of land is flooded. On an average, 1 crore hectares of land is flooded every year. In case of very heavy floods, 4 crore hectares of land may be flooded. However, on an average, 1 crore hectares of land is affected by floods every year. The main reason underlying drought is the lack of greenery. You will notice that Gujarat, Rajasthan, and several other states are often hit by drought. The main reason is that these areas are denuded of forests. Trees are felled. A law has been enacted in this regard, but there are some shortcomings in it. The honorable members have rightly pointed out that stringent punishment can be awarded under this law and we must follow it vigorously.